Tools like Canva Pro have made that a reality. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and vast library of templates, even complete design novices can create stunning graphics in minutes flat. And with AI-powered features like automatic layout suggestions, it's like having your own personal art director guiding you every step of the way. Takeaway: for non-designers who want pro results without the learning curve, AI tools like Canva Pro are a game changer. AI art tools that make you look like a pro. Ever been tempted to give up on a piece because it just wasn't looking right? AI art generators like Deep Art and Dolly can breathe new life into your most struggling projects. Simply upload your image, choose from thousands of artistic styles, and watch as the magic happens. The results are so convincing, you'll swear someone else did the work. Takeaway: when you need a little creative spark, AI tools like Deep Art can make even your toughest art challenges look easy. The AI-powered color tool that enhances any image color is everything in art, yet getting it just right can be infuriatingly tricky. Tools like ColorSync Pro take the guesswork out of color matching by analyzing any image and suggesting perfect complementary palettes. It's like having a color genius standing over your shoulder as you work. Takeaway: for artists who want to master color every time, AI tools like ColorSync Pro are an essential addition to your toolkit. So there you have it, the top 5 must-try AI-powered art tools for 2026. By harnessing the power of cutting-edge technology, these tools will supercharge your creativity and productivity in ways you never thought possible. The only question is, which one will you try first? Here's the rewritten text. These AI design tools, they'll blow your mind. Fotorama is one. Upload images and let it guide you to stunning layouts. Optimal placements, colors, fonts. It does it all. Does it work? Yes, consistently. The virtual art assistant, that's always by your side. Imagine having an experienced art director available 24/7 to critique compositions, suggest improvements, and even provide LUTs on demand. With tools like Art AI, that fantasy is reality. Just upload your artwork and get instant feedback and suggestions powered by advanced machine learning. It's like having a seasoned creative director in your pocket. Does it work? Yes, consistently. The AI color picker that ensures perfect palettes every time, struggling to find that perfect color palette for your latest piece. Tools like Pictaculous use AI to analyze images and extract the most harmonious color schemes. Just upload a reference photo or artwork and watch as Pictaculous generates a palette of complementary colors. It's never been easier to ensure your art is always perfectly coordinated. Does it work? Yes, consistently. Well, there you have it. The top 3 game-changing AI tools for artists that I guarantee will transform the way you create. Does mastering composition rules sound boring? It's not. It's transformative. 7 classic rules are all you need. Follow them and your art will pop. So subscribe now. Don't miss this game changer. I've got art to make with AI by my side. What about you?